Hello all, welcome to the channel. So now we have completed our first module, module 1, and currently we'll be seeing the module 2, data types and variables. Okay, so now this topic is very easy and a small topic. It will be very small video. Okay, numbers, int, float and complex. Okay, so let's see what are those things. Okay, before this, as I have said, what are data types? So every value is associated with what kind of data it is. Okay, for example, water bottle is there. In water bottle, we can store the liquid things, okay, like water, tea, and whatever it is there. No, we can store it. But if you want to store like some kind of books or something, it will not be done, right? So same way, every variable have a value, and that value has what kind of data we can store in that variable are called as data types. Okay. So the first data type we'll see is numbers. Let me share my VS Code. Okay, I hope you can see the VS Code. Okay, now the first thing is int. I have written it. So int is means integer. When a number is presented in Python, it's called as int, not all the numbers, the whole numbers. Okay, let me take an example of this. You can see age is 25, marks 90, and temperature -5. 25, 90, -5. These are all whole numbers. We don't have any kind of decimals or something. Okay, these numbers are called as integers, int in Python. Okay, let's run it. These are the what variables values. We'll run it and we'll see what kind of data are those. Okay, let me run it. Once I run it, you can see, yes, so we have print age as 25, the marks as 90, and the temperature is -5. And if you'll see what kind of data, everything is int is written. Okay, so this is integer. Now we'll see something called as float. What is float? By looking at it only, you'll knowing that the whole number, if we have some kind of decimal to it, no, it will be act as a float. It is a number, data type is number, but will be called as a floating number. Okay, so price 99.50, 5.7 height, percentage. You can see these are the variables, these are the values. If you'll print it, no, let's print it. So these are the things which we have written. It got printed, and see one of the data type of price only. Okay, so what is the data type? You can see it's showing as float. Okay, always remember when a decimal is added to a number, it will turn into a float number. Now, basic arithmetic with numbers. What are arithmetic? Plus, minus, into, division. These are called as arithmetic in real life. Okay, in Python also the same thing. So we have taken a variable a. Okay, value is 20, b a variable, and value is 5. Okay, so here we'll do summation plus. Here we'll do subtraction minus. Here we'll do multiplication. Whenever you see a asterisk in it, here we'll do division. Okay, single slash, it will be division. Let's do it. So a value is 20, b value is 5. We'll see the result. Okay, we'll print it. So what is that? Same thing. A plus b. 20 plus 5 is 25. 20 minus 5 is 15. 25 is 100. And you can see 20 divided by 4 is 4.0. Okay. Now 4.0 is a float number. Now I want to convert it into a int. Okay, not a float. So what I can do now, instead of this single division bar, we can give this kind of two slashes. Okay. So if you give two slashes and I'll run it, you can see instead of 4.0, it will give 4, only 4. Okay, 4.0 will not come. Easy. Next, what is that? What is complex? So we know what is complex number. The first part is called as the real part, and the second part is called the imaginary part. Okay, so let me give an example. Z is equal to, we've taken a variable, we have written complex is 2, 3. Okay, if we'll print it, we'll get 2.2 plus 3j. Okay, what does this mean? The 2 is a real part, this one 3j is a imaginary part. Okay, and type of is complex. So we saw three things. First is int, second is float, and third is complex. This complex on everything, no, it will come in the real-time example when we do data science work or machine learning work. Okay, a little bit of higher mathematics is required for that. That's why I'm giving an idea of it. Okay, for now we'll not use it much, but just for understanding I'm giving it. Okay, now let's see everything. We have a age complex number, we have price float number, and we have a special complex number. We'll run it and we'll see. Let's run it. If we'll run it, it will give the same thing, the output, and we have this what int, float, and complex. As I said, the topic is very easy, nothing too much understand in it. Just three types of number: int, float, and complex. That's it. I think this video is clear for you. We'll see in the next video. Bye.